I have to say that what happened over the last 10 years with the 3D technology is just amazing. It's much more important than everything I've seen during my career.
When we first started on this journey to create this software, we likened it to the difference between a flip phone and a smartphone. Right in, at least in the area of software technology, is the tip of the spear. The shoulder problems that we treat are three-dimensional problems, and yet we have a virtual plan that's represented on a computer screen in 2D. And our brain is trying to see this in 3D. When we go to mixed reality, we have 3D next to a 3D problem. And that means that you see the three-dimensional image adjacent to where you have to operate. You can move in space the image that you're going to reference for your operation. If it's distracting, move it out of the way. When you need it, move it where you want it. Rotate it where you want it. We can't see certain things from the field that we're looking at, and yet we can see the holographic view of what we want to achieve. The brain is interesting that way. It builds those data points and gives you spatial recognition you can't otherwise have just from imagining it. Moreover, if I want to reference my plan right now, I got to walk over to the wall and look at the printout that I've made of my virtual plan. Here, it's right in front of me when I need it and when I want it. This is the beginning of what will evolve into a virtual navigation, if you will, through augmented reality that will ultimately reduce our need for all sorts of paraphernalia, instruments, and guides and jigs that cost money and take time. Anytime technology comes along, there are the innovators, the early adopters, then there are the laggards, and there are the resistors. There are different reasons why people take this point of view. In fact, hospitals do it. Well, it's good enough. I've always done it this way. It's fine. Here's the key. Those who measure and apply critical introspection as to what outcomes they get realize over time that they can do better. The technology that we now have available is just unparalleled, and this will be the next half decade to decade. We're going to see a complete transformation of shoulder arthroplasty.
This new technology, which is here now, is opening a new field. It's changing completely the future of shoulder arthroplasty.